Hello, Giant Unicorn family.
It's another video. It's so long. Yeah. Today we're doing another slime video.
What kind of slime are we doing today?
We're doing butter slime.
We're doing butter slime today. So this will be the second slime
Can you pass me my
video. All right. So these ingredients are a little bit different. So today we have.
Well, yeah, I want to do it.
Oh, okay. Here, I'll do like this, and then you.
So we have clear Elmer's glue shaving cream.
It's right here.
Clear Elmer's glue shaving cream, baking soda,
And
water,
good old water.
and if you're making this, you need a container for your slime.
And always, children, if you're watching this, do this with a parent, okay? Now, granted, the stuff isn't poisonous or nothing like that, but just do it with a parent.
Yeah.
And always have your setup. See how we got our paper towel set up? So, all right. Let me go grab us a stirring mechanism. Or a spoon, if you want to call it that.
Check out Malia's channel too. It's Malia's Life.
Malia's Life. Shout out to Poopa. Hey, Poopa. Oh, yeah. If you guys want to get your Malia's beads, comment below. She sells them for $4 and she ships. She does all kind of cool colors, cool designs.
And I sell different,
different like style beads. She got some cool stuff.
And
so if you like it, comment below. I want one Malia's beads. All right. So I guess we'll go ahead and get the activator together, which is our baking soda and water. All right, you gonna mix?
Can I just pour it?
Yeah, pour it in and give it a good stir.
With this?
Yeah.
This is our activator. I know it looks weird, but you can also use contact solution or Tide.
Oh, you can't say anything.
Or Tide, whatever it's called. But yeah, you could use that as.
All right, what's your Elmer's glue? Elmer's glue. Elmer's glue in. Oh yeah. So satisfying. So the recipe calls for, I think, the white and the clear, but we want to do just the clear and see how that comes out.
And you can put like.
Yeah, you could put food coloring in there, but today we just doing regular.
I would have put a little food coloring in there.
Well, we didn't buy any while we was at the store because somebody was in charge of the ingredients list. I wonder who.
It was Daddy.
All right. I feel like that might be good enough. All right. Let's add our.
It's satisfying like that.
All right, let's add the shaving cream.
Okay.
And just for extra measure, we'll just add a smidgen more.
Yeah.
All right, use your spoon to get the rest out.
Excuse me, sir.
Look, if it don't come out, we'll just do like this. Look. We'll just, there you go. All right, go ahead and get your mix. Nah, we good. All right, go ahead and mix it up. Nope, mix it up first.
Oh, yeah.
Dang, it's mixing fast, too. All right, make sure it's mixed thoroughly. There you go. Oh, you don't have to stand up. I'll just stand up and get a good shot.
I know.
Alright. Do you want me to mix it too?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, here.
And Daddy thought the shaving cream would make it a slime. Look at this.
You know what, Michael? Wow, this smells pretty good. Alright.
Now.
Alright, add a little bit at a time while you're stirring. Oh, I see it starting to come together a little bit. That's cool. Just going in. Alright, you coming together? Alright, you might as well dump all that in there, girl. Is it coming together? I think we need a little bit more
Glue.
baking soda.
No, I think we need a little more glue.
Alright.
Ow.
Okay. Alright, going in with the glue.
Glue. And maybe a little bit more
Baking soda.
activator.
Right. I knew we should have got some borax. I knew it.
Daddy, can you make some more activator? No! With the water and stuff. Guys, this might be a fail. Again.
Alright, you stir, I'll pour. I feel like we need borax. Because this slime is not slimy.
It's called forming that. Guys, this might be a fail.
I think it might be a fail, guys.
Yeah, this is probably a fail.
Because we need some activator.
Hand sanitizer activate slime.
On the website AvacareMedical.com, they say, hand sanitizers are utilized to make slime because, just like body lotions, hand sanitizers can also have the same effect on slime.
No, that's the clean, girl.
No, Daddy, I have hand sanitizer. It can activate slime.
Okay. Alright, Unicorn fam, I'm hoping this is not a fail, but I feel like it is. I feel like this might be a huge L boogie. So we were at the grocery store. I was like, all right, what do we need to make your butter slime? She was like, Daddy, all we need is shaving cream, glue, water, and baking soda. So I was like, all right, cool, no problem, cool. So I was like, we don't need any activator. She was like, no, the baking soda and water's the activator, Daddy. I was like, all right. She know how to make the slime, I don't, so. All right. You gonna dump all that in there?
Yes.
All right. Well, start what you got in there first, so your slime won't get hard. If it works. She's determined to make this work. Look at the face. Alright, I hope your activator activates. It don't look like it's activating. That ain't activating. Squat. Oh, God, what in the world? Unicorn fell. Did y'all hear that rocket boost? Over here, Putin. Yeah, I don't. This is a fail. This is a absolute 100% fail.
Do we have time?
No. Oh man. You didn't even say excuse me or nothing. Jeez. All right, let me go here. We don't have powder. We have the liquid. See?
No, we need the liquid, Daddy.
This is liquid.
We need the liquid to activate those lines.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know much my hands words.
Please watch what you're doing. Lord almighty. Alright, let's see if we can activate some slime. We're just making a mess. That's what we're doing.
I told you, Daddy.
Yeah, well, I don't know if you should be playing with slime with freaking detergent in it. I mean, it is.
Guys, is activating.
It is kind of sort of activating, but not really. It's just chunky. It looks like.
Daddy, you supposed to fix. You supposed to fix. I can't say my words right. I can't. You gotta mix it more. Or maybe put some more in it.
No, that.
Daddy, it is gonna be slime. Hold up.
Yeah. This is a big, fat loss.
You need to knead it.
All right, Unicorn fam. I'm sorry. This is a fail. She doesn't
It's
want
not
it
a
to
fail,
be.
guys.
It is. Look at that.
No, you're supposed to knead it a lot.
Big girl.
See, look at that.
That's not even butter slime. That's freaking chunks.
Guys,
Yeah,
it's
no.
forming.
No. We gotta call this. This is a loss. Look at that. The more you need it, the harder it's getting.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Just let it go. Let it go.
Let it go.
Unicorn fail. It is a fail. I'm sorry. Look at that. It's like a loogie. That is not slime. Let it go. Put it in there so I can throw it away. And we'll try again next time. All right. Come back again in 2 weeks for part 2. Slime redo again. This is the second time we've had a fail trying to make slime. Comment below. Let it go.
Ice cream slime. Comment below the ice cream.
No.
Comment below the ice cream emoji.
That is... Yeah, no. No. Look how hard that is.
It's not hard. See, look, I can easily form.
Yeah. You look at that. You know your slime is not supposed to be like that. All right, YouTube. Unicorn fan, we love you guys. We appreciate you watching today's video. Speaking of, all right, let's sit down and let's rap to you. Let me talk to you. Yeah. Shout out to LA Knight. He's over super high right now. All right, come on. Put that failed science experiment down.
Daddy's go for.
Come on, put it down. Put it down.
Wait, no, Daddy! No, I'm working on it!
It's a fail. Just let it go. It's a freaking fail.
Watch it, for.
Yeah, nah. This ain't it.
Type in the emoji cotton candy.
Type in the comments below, let it go. All right, come on, let's talk to the family real quick about our possible summer adventure. All right, so you're gonna be noticing a lot. Come on, pay attention. The next ton of videos is probably gonna be either video game videos or at home videos. So currently, and I'm praying to God.
No.
Listen,
It's
let me
surprise.
finish.
It's a surprise.
But I know it's a surprise. But I'm not gonna say where it's gonna be at. But just know this is a big one. All right, like the cruise is big. This is gonna be a big one. So we're trying to save money. All right, we're gonna be doing a whole lot of stuff at home, out and about. Like no fun. I mean, it's gonna be fun stuff, but it's not gonna be like extravagantly fun. So comment below different things you want to see us do here at the house, and to have fun, and maybe some challenges. I don't know. Suggest something. Comment below. We love you guys. So anything you got to say? Comment below, let it go.
This slime
is a fail.
Is it formed?
That is a fail. Because somebody...
You put two.
Daddy.
You put
The activator is the baking soda and the water. The activator ain't activating. Nothing. It's a fail.
You put so much activator in it, Daddy.
All right. Listen, guys. We love you guys. Appreciate you watching this slime fail.
And we'll do another slime.
We'll come back
the second time.
in another 2 weeks. Next episode, we're gonna have everything correct. Activator. Real activator. What? All right, guys. We love you. Stay blessed. I'm Daddy.
And yeah, and this is not a fail. Peace.
This is a fail.
Type in
the comments below. Let it go.
Type in the ice cream emoji or the cotton candy emoji. Bye.
That looks like snot. Type in the snot emoji. All right, we love you guys. Peace.
Peace, and this is not a fail.